Hello, we are on Barton level 5, working on suffixes, lesson 2. Okay, so today your student learned consonant suffixes. So full having one L, ly, less having two S's, ness having two S's, and ment. They should know the meaning of those suffixes. They should be able to tell you a word that uses them. So that's what we are working on, and we're going to take a look at the support resources for this lesson. Okay, so again, your students should have their notebook filled out, listing their new suffixes, which again are full, meaning full of, like the word helpful. They should have less with two S's, meaning without, like painless. You should have ness listed, meaning equality, like fitness, the quality of being fit. And ment, which is in the process of, like payment. Okay, so those are the ones that they learned. Again, students of the 20% club should be using this page in their book on about page 75. If you are not part of the 20% club and you would like access to this material, you can find that in my TPT store right here. All right, let's get into the practice work for the day. We'll start with the fluency drills, which are right here. Again, your student, if they're not fluent in these, they should be able to use different strategies like boxing off the suffix and then working in the base word here. This word would be a schwa right here. Abruptly. So if your student isn't fluent in these, your steps are box off your suffix, read your base word. If your base word is more than one syllable, divide that into a word that they know. Change less, cup full. So they should be able to go through. Let's find a, here's a good one here, respectful. Box off my suffix. I'm going to mark my vowels. My vowel is here. My vowel is here. Normally, I would split those two, respect. They might be able to get it there. I would say you need to try it the other way, which is respectful. So that would be how I would attack these two pages. Definitely will be some words that might be a little bit more challenging for your student on these pages. Look for the base word, box off the prefix, or box off the suffix. Some of these have more than one suffix on them, like less and ness, aim, less, ness, okay? Bash, full, and lee, bashfully, witnesses, base word wit, one suffix, two suffixes. Okay, so that is your fluency drills. Again, play some tic-tac-toe, play some connect four, play some dots and boxes, make it fun. We just want your student to be reading accurately, not too fast, okay? Fast and wrong. We want accurate and slow and accurate over fast and wrong every single day. You know it. I've said it like a million times at this point, right? Okay, here we go. Extra practice pages for lesson 2. Box off each suffix, then underline the base word. So for practical purposes today, I am going to highlight, in fact, I'm going to highlight in green because that's the color that we use for our suffixes. There are 2 suffixes here. Underline the base word ship. So we'll go through, I think what I'll do is I will do these in 2 chunks for you, full and lee. two different suffixes. Less, two suffixes on this one, two suffixes on this one. It's really important that your student thinks of these as two suffixes, full and ly. Otherwise it gets confusing later on. So full and ness, full, less and ness, less and ly, ment, ness and es, full and ness, and full and ly. And then your base words are left. Ship, kind, thank, limit, spot, cheer, boast, skill, resent, wit, develop, help, aim, and wish. Read a word in the first column, find a word in the second column that rhymes with it. So, let's see, only the first letter or first blend will be different, okay? Smallness, tallness, okay? Rainless, painless. Lastly goes with vastly, motherly with brotherly, gladness with sadness, figment with pigment, trackless with backless, and containment with attainment. Okay, make two or more sentences by drawing a line between the who, the did, what, and the wheres. So the trusty equipment was so helpful in the small kitchen on Sunday. And you can do a couple of those. All right, that's it for level 5, lesson 2. Have a great day.